You've studied English for years. You know the grammar. You know hundreds of words. But when someone speaks to you, your mind goes completely blank. Today, I'm going to tell you exactly why that happens and exactly what to do to fix it. My name is Joni D, and this channel has one purpose: to help you speak English with real confidence. Not just read it, not just pass a test. Actually speak it in real conversations with real people. Every day, I will give you one lesson, one skill, one thing you can practice today. Stay with me for 30 days, and I promise your English will not be the same. But first, let me tell you the real reason most people never become fluent, and it is not what you think. Speak slowly here. This is the most important part. Here is the truth. Most English learners were taught English the wrong way. Your school taught you grammar rules. You memorized vocabulary lists. You passed tests. But nobody ever trained your mouth and your brain to work together, fast, in a real conversation. Think about this. When you learned to ride a bicycle, did someone give you a 50-page book about bicycles? No. You got on the bicycle and you practiced. You fell. You tried again. That is how your brain learns a physical skill. Speaking English is a physical skill, and the only way to get better is to actually do it. School never gave you that practice. Pause 2 seconds, look at camera. So it is not your fault. The system failed you. But today, that changes. Here is the second big problem. When someone speaks to you in English, what happens inside your head? You hear the English, you translate it into your language. You think of your answer in your language. You translate that answer back into English. Then you speak. That whole process takes 3, 4, maybe 5 seconds. In a real conversation, 5 seconds is an eternity. The other person has already moved on. You feel embarrassed. So next time, you stay quiet. Native speakers do not do this. They hear English and they think in English. The response comes out automatically, like a reflex. The goal of this channel is to train your brain to do the same thing, to respond in English automatically without translating. And I will show you exactly how to build that skill. So what do? Here is your very first exercise. You can start today. It is called Speak First, Correct Later. Here is how it works. Every day, pick one topic. Anything. What you ate for breakfast, what you see outside your window, your opinion about a movie, anything at all. And talk about it out loud, in English, for 60 seconds. Do not stop. Do not correct yourself. Do not think about grammar. Just speak. Even if it sounds wrong, even if you use the wrong word, keep going. Why? Because fluency is not about being perfect. Fluency is about being automatic. And you cannot become automatic if you stop every 5 seconds to check your grammar. When you finish the 60 seconds, then correct yourself. Then improve. But during those 60 seconds, just speak. Hold up one finger. One topic, 60 seconds, every single day. That is all I am asking. That is all I am asking you to do today. Before I finish, I want you to repeat 3 phrases after me. Say them out loud. Do not just read them in your head. Actually say the words. Phrase 1. I want to speak English fluently. Say slow, then natural speed. Pause for viewer to repeat. Phrase 2. Every day I am getting better. Say slow, then pause. Phrase 3. I am not afraid to make mistakes. Say with full confidence. Pause. Say those 3 sentences every morning, before breakfast. Your brain needs to hear your own voice speaking English confidently. It changes everything. I started this channel because I know how frustrating it is to have something to say and not be able to say it in English. To feel intelligent in your own language, but sound like a child in English. I know that feeling, and I want to help you change it. If you want to come on this 30-day journey with me, hit subscribe right now. I upload every single day. Every video is one skill. 10 minutes. That is all it takes. Tomorrow's video, I'll teach you why saying I am fine is making you sound like a robot and give you 10 natural responses that native speakers actually use. You do not want to miss it. See you tomorrow. Keep speaking.